Nope. All right. Granted, they're just tacked in for now, but I can finally say that the body is now one with the frame. Making this little jig took the majority of the time, but this will come in handy when I go to make the other 4 mounts for the truck bed and any other mounts that I may need in the future. While we were handling the body mounts, I came across these beautiful BLC headlights, and I think they'll meet the aesthetic of the car a little better than the Model T headlights that I had originally. We also came across a nice set of early Ford Juice brakes, and it persuaded me to start looking into the drums. They look like they're in pretty good shape, so I threw these on for now just for fitment purposes, but eventually we'll take these back apart and rebuild them. We also gathered up enough cash to pick up this open drive conversion kit for the rear axle, so that'll be a neat endeavor. And finally, we made some adjustments to the split wishbones. The original rendition was the ball joint was on the outside and the castle nut was in. We cut off the mounts, swapped them left to right, meaning from this perspective on the passenger side, this is the driver's side mount. That way, we kind of tucked it in a little bit more, but mainly the ball joint begins on the inside. And the reason for that is we wanted to gain a little bit of clearance for the pitman arm to swing on the driver's side. And we also wanted to gain as much turning radius clearance for the front tires. Originally, they were rubbing pretty bad far away from the steering stop. So this provides a little bit more clearance so your turning radius is improved. So as of now, this is my biggest hurdle that I got. Where the box is sitting right now works pretty good with the position of the steering wheel, the angle of the column, and the pitman arm is fairly nice. But the box is directly in line with that header flange off the motor. So got a couple options, but things get in the way. I can't really go back much because of the big swing of the F1 pedals. I can't go forward much because of the dipstick tube. I can't really go up. I could go down, but that's a lot of framework. So I'm kind of up in the air about it. And who knows, I may just flip a 180 and forget about this box entirely. Maybe go with an earlier F1 style for clearance purposes. But trying to use what we have, give it some thought, and move from there. So until next time, thanks for watching. All right, let's go.